OpenAI is launching a grant program to support cybersecurity professionals using AI and combating AI-enabled systems. They are accepting applications and have a number of ideas to show the types of projects they're looking to support. Chinese tech giant Baidu is rolling out a 1 billion yuan, $145 million, venture fund to back startups focused on content generated by artificial intelligence applications. The fund will also launch a competition for developers who build applications off Baidu's ERNIE large language model, LLM, or integrate the model into their existing products. Large AI models can be expensive and bad for the environment, so researchers have found a more efficient way to create smaller models using a method called knowledge distillation. This approach is often better than spending money on extra data and helps create compact models that still perform well in various language tasks. Google has recorded every change to its codebase for decades, including rich descriptions, changes, and fixes. They treat this as a sequence modeling problem and create a set of robust internal tools that can help software engineers be more productive. They find it to be surprisingly effective, even at novel tasks like history-informed generation. We've talked about precision before. That's how much space it takes to store a number. And how many unique values that number can represent. When you reduce the precision, AI models take less space on the computer, but weird things start to happen because you represent fewer numbers for the parameters. This paper studies what happens when you quantize before training at scale. They start to poke at the magical 6B parameter performance barrier. Creating realistic talking digital people that sync with any speech audio is an important challenge in the digital world. GeneFace++ is a new method that improves lip syncing, video quality, and system efficiency, making it the first of its kind to achieve real-time talking face generation. This research introduces OCC-BEV, a new pre-training method for autonomous driving that focuses on making better use of multiple camera views, rather than just one, thus capturing a more accurate understanding of the surrounding environment. The technique uses a unique 3D decoder to predict the 3D geometry of the environment. The new GPT-4 tools system can manage multiple visual foundation models by analyzing language content, allowing it to automatically decide, control, and use different models based on the user's needs during a conversation. Uniquely, it enables users to teach their own language model how to use tools more effectively using a simple self-instruction and LoRa approach, making conversations about image-related tasks much smoother and more efficient. A program that provides LLMs with the ability to complete complex tasks using plugins. The recent Mosaic MLM-PT models are still gaining popularity. One of the big contributions was the StoryWriter model, which could use up to 65K tokens in context. Inference with this model was painfully slow. By adding a key value cache, we can speed up generation by almost 10x. Hamilton Nolan argues that CEOs are becoming increasingly unnecessary as AI becomes more sophisticated. He proposes that we should automate the CEO position and distribute the power and wealth that CEOs currently control to other stakeholders, such as workers and shareholders. The license of the Falcon 40B model has just been changed to Apache 2, which means that this model is now free for any usage including commercial use, and same for the 7B. Infrastructure to build, manage, and run useful autonomous AI agents. Speechki transforms your ChatGPT experience with lifelike voice responses. This easy-to-use plugin seamlessly connects with ChatGPT, providing realistic text-to-speech output. Let ChatGPT not just talk, but speak.